Okay, guys, it's Homework Help Week 5, Day 2. First problem says, use dimensional analysis to find how many inches are in 4 1/3 feet. Okay, so here's the first thing we're going to do. So we're going to take 4 1/3 feet and write it as a fraction. So the 4 times 3 is the 12, plus that 1 is 13. So my first fraction is 13/3, and don't forget to label feet on top, because when we multiply the second fraction, feet has to be on bottom for dimensional analysis. They always have to be diagonal. Okay, so now we're converting feet in inches, so we're going to take this conversion and use it as our second fraction. Remember, feet's on the bottom, so 1 foot is on the bottom, is 12 inches. Now, we're going to do some bow tie reducing. So first off, the feet will cancel out, because that means our answer will be inches. And 3 and 12 reduce. 3 goes into itself once, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. So here's all you have to do. You have to do 13 times 4, which is 52. 1 times 1, which is 1. And so that simplifies to 52 inches. Okay, 1 done, 1 to go. Next problem says write an equation. So let's see, going from x to y, if it's going to be a nice simple one. I know 0 to -2 is 0 minus 2. Is 1 minus 2 1? No. And I know 0 does not multiply or divide by anything to get 2. So it can't be a simple one. That means it's going to be a little more complicated. Now, we're going to start with y equals. Remember, every one of these equations starts with y equals. Now, find the first step. We have to skip count the y's and see what's happening. So if you notice when I skip count the y's, now if you don't know the -2 to the 1, because you're not used to dealing with negatives, try the 1 to the 4. I know 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7, and -2 plus 3 is 1. So that means the first part is 3x. Now, I'm going to go back. Let me erase some of this stuff here. And if I know the first step is to multiply by 3, I'm going to get my halfway number. So let's start with the 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Now the question is, how do you go from our new number to the y value? So 0 minus 2 is -2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 9 minus 2 is 7. So that's the second part of our equation, minus 2. So just so you know, to get y, you first multiply x by 3 and then subtract 2. All right, that's it for today's homework help. If you have any other questions, be ready to ask me in class. Thank you.